Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. I am Sanjeev Kumar, your stock market coach. Today I am going to give you the update about 19 companies. So after this video, you will understand that what you need to do. You need to buy more or you need to exit in these 19 companies. Before moving further, this is this disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am creating this video for the educational purpose only. At first, I want to share one thing that we all are become panic and we are just afraid because market is falling and market is down by 15% as of now. So fear is natural. But one thing I want to clear to all of you, don't follow your emotion. Follow your system. Surrender to your system. Whatever system you are following. If you follow your emotion, you make mistakes again and again. So if you are following my channel, I give the update in the end of each month. But if you have any doubt, you can call me. My mobile number is in the description box and you can connect with me. You can share your any doubt related to stock market. And just I'm sharing the TradingView website and we will understand here what we need to do. At first, we discuss about the market. You can see here, market is down by 15% almost. Almost 15% it is down. Okay. So one thing I want to ask to all of you, is it new? Have you seen this kind of market fall in your life? Please write in the comment box. You can see here in 2021, market was down by 19% due to Russia-Ukraine war. In 2020, market was down by 40% due to COVID. In 2015, market was down by 22%. In 2008, market was down by 63%. But you can see one thing is common. After downfall, every time you can see that there is uptrend. Market move upside and it had given a big growth. So this is not the point from where we can say that market will not go down. So it can go more 5% below, 10% down. Anything can happen. No one can predict about market. So what we can do, we can follow our system. As I told you earlier, if you don't know, if you don't have any strategy, if you don't have any system, then you can connect me and I will provide you the strategy, the system, everything. Now moving to the company update. At first, TRENT. In TRENT, no exit, no fresh entry, no tranche add. Tips music, same statement, no action. Because we exit when share price goes below to EMA 21. We follow EMA 21 monthly for exit. At present, share price is above EMA 21, so we will not exit. CDSL, same statement, no need to do, just it it is just near about EMA 21, so we will wait. Safari Industry, no action. Polymedicure, no, nothing is required, just hold. Narayana Hrudayalaya, yes. Here you can make new entry as well as you can add your tranche. BSE, nothing to do. Newgen, no action. BASF, you should exit from BASF because the share price is below EMA 21, no need to wait. If it will go up, we will make entry again. Persistent System, no action. Neuland Lab, no action. KP Energy Limited, nothing to do. Beta Drugs, no action is required. Anant Raj, no action. BLS International, nothing to do anything. Eicher Motor, no action, no sale, no buy, no tranche add. Max Healthcare, same statement. Bajaj Finance, you can make new entry, you can tranche your add. You can add your tranche. Aarti Pharmalabs, you can make new entry and you can add your tranche. That's all from my side. If you found this video useful for your stock market journey, please press the like button. And if you have any query, any question, you can share your question in comment box or you can ask your question from mobile. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my video. See you in the next video.